Welcome back to our channel. Today 2025, John Deere has once again demonstrated its commitment to advancing agricultural technology with the introduction of its latest tractor models, notably the 6M and 9RX series. These machines are designed to meet the evolving needs of modern farming, offering enhanced performance, versatility, and technological integration. The 6M series stands out for its adaptability, featuring 18 different models with engine options ranging from 95 to 250 horsepower and 5 frame size choices. This range allows farmers to customize their tractors to specific operational requirements. Notable features include intelligent power management, which provides an additional 20 horsepower during demanding tasks such as transporting heavy loads or operating power takeoff. PTO implements. The availability of dual tire configurations enhances traction and flotation, essential for various field conditions. Transmission options are diverse, with both traditional mechanical and infinitely variable transmissions, IVT, available, catering to different user preferences. The 6M series also boasts a redesigned cab with improved visibility and comfort, facilitating tasks like loader work, mowing, and baling. For large-scale farming operations requiring substantial power, the 9RX series has been expanded to include models with up to 830 horsepower. These high-horsepower tractors are engineered for heavy-duty applications, such as deep tillage and large-scale planting. The 9RX series features a ground-up redesign aimed at increasing towing capacity and enhancing operator comfort. The integration of advanced hydraulic systems, offering up to 168 gallons per minute of flow with an optional 40 horsepower boost, ensures efficient operation of large implements. This series is particularly beneficial for tasks that demand high power and precision, contributing to increased productivity in large farming enterprises. In addition to these new models, John Deere has made significant strides in autonomous technology. At CES 2025, the company unveiled a lineup of fully autonomous machines designed to address labor shortages in agriculture, construction, and commercial landscaping. Among these innovations is the second-generation autonomy kit, which combines advanced computer vision, artificial intelligence, and multiple cameras to enable machines to navigate complex environments without human intervention. This technology is being applied across various equipment, including tractors and articulated dump trucks, marking a significant step toward fully automated farming solutions. The integration of precision agriculture technologies is a hallmark of John Deere's 2025 offerings. Features such as predictive ground speed automation and harvest settings automation utilize machine learning and real-time data to optimize machine performance, reduce operator workload, and enhance overall efficiency. These advancements reflect John Deere's commitment to leveraging technology to support farmers in meeting the challenges of modern agriculture. In summary, John Deere's 2025 tractor lineup exemplifies the company's dedication to innovation and support for the agricultural community. By offering a range of customizable options, integrating advanced technologies, and addressing critical issues such as labor shortages through automation, John Deere continues to empower farmers to achieve greater efficiency and productivity in their operations.